Alrighty, we are back again. This time I am playing my second round of the 0 points challenge. The objective is to get as far away as possible from the location on the map, and I want to score 0 points. So here we go. Here's the first round. To me, this is looking like Russia or Ukraine, Belarus, former Soviet, somewhere there. And I believe the farthest away from that is going to be somewhere near South America here. If there is an island off to the west just a bit, that would be ideal. Again, I'm not going to play Antarctica here because to me that feels like cheating. Huh. I guess we're going to have to just pick somewhere here along the coast. Let's pick this tiny island right here. Okay, let's see. Alrighty, no points. Just under 10,000 miles. That's almost exactly in the spot I had to end out my first round. That was over in this area. But, good start here. Let's move on. Okay. Again, this looks like Russia to me. Once again, potentially Ukraine. Something like that. Belarus. Definitely a former Soviet country. I'm hoping this one is a bit more east, although it looks southwestern Russia to me. So I guess I'm going to go down to the same spot down here. Yep, same exact spot. Let's see. Yeah, again, very similar location here. Not too far from Ukraine. It is in Russia, though. So, 2 for 2 so far. Pretty much the same spot. Let's move on. Okay, this is potentially southwestern United States. I did see a sign over here. Let's go ahead and move up and see what we can see. I hope we can read it. Where'd the sign go? All that is not English at all. I'm not sure what language that was, if I'm honest. Apparently, I don't know how to navigate a map here. Let's see if I can read this bigger sign here. Interesting. We're going to have to check. I know I do recognize that, but I can't seem to place it. I don't think it's any of these. I don't believe that's Georgian, is it? These would all use Russian here. It's Arabic. Definitely is not Arabic. Is it Indian? Yes. Potentially, anyway. We're going to keep looking. That does look a lot like Indian to me. I was also considering Azeri, but that looks a bit different. Let's check Georgia. Yeah, also, well, is it Georgian? No, I don't think so. I think it's gotta be, has to be India somewhere. Just given the land mass of India, I think I'm gonna have to go with that. But now, can we find the furthest from India here? Whoops, if we average the two out, I think we're right about in here in line. So that's not a terrible guess. I am going to go up further north. Is this going to be too far east? Yes. We're going to have to find something in here. Chen. We'll go with that. I'm expecting to at least get a few points here, but let's see. Ah, Israeli. Okay. So it must have been... Yeah. Yeah, I didn't think the climate looked too correct for India, if I'm honest, but I don't know, it looked like a pretty similar match in writing, but I guess that is not the case. So 32 points, not terrible so far. Let's keep going. Okay, seeing this Morton building, it has to be the US. Old barn. Yeah, I'm gonna guess this is northeastern United States. Just looking at the landscape out there. I mean, it could really be in the Midwest as well. Let's move up and see if we see any signs that I could potentially recognize. So we know it is the United States, but the US landmass is so big, I'm gonna have to get a little more accurate than that. Let's see. Really beautiful landscape though, if I'm honest. We could potentially be Wisconsin or something like that, but it looks like there's too much forested area here. Someone in an RV. Wonder if we can see where that's from here. Go back a bit here, let's see. You know, that looks like the new Iowa license plate, honestly. The kind of greenish yellow on the bottom and the blue on the top. When was this taken? 2020. Yeah, so this could actually be northeastern Iowa. Let's see if I can see any emergency signs. See if I can read this newspaper box here. Don't think I'm going to be able to get too close to it. Nope. So they are selling pumpkins. I wonder... Pumpkins and tomatoes. This does... Ooh, here we go. Does that have the state on the road sign there? Let's see. I can't exactly see, but that almost looks like, what, South Carolina potentially? See if we can match shapes here. Not exactly South Carolina, but pretty close. We have the angle, then down. I don't think I can match up any other states closer than that, though. Let's see. Oh, that could be a county or something. I could be completely off. Shoot. Yeah, none of these other states really are anywhere near that in shape. So you know what? We're going to say we're here somewhere. I'm just going to mark. Let's zoom out, see what the furthest away is. It's going to be Siberia or potentially Australia. But I think we can find a place that is inhabited up here. We're back up to October Revolution Island. Let's give it a shot this time and see. Dang it. We were in Pennsylvania, I guess. Heindel Farm, there it is. Huh, by Stony Brook. So, 57 points. I still don't think we would have been far enough if it was South Carolina. That's only a few 100 miles down to that, so that, I guess, was a bad guess, huh? Not sure where else I could have gone that would have worked. Potentially this island down here. Okay, let's go to the next round and see if we can finish this out. Last one here, where are we? Potentially European, maybe Russia again. We read this. Doesn't look Russian to me. Plus 40 is the phone code here. Gmail account as their business, no help there. If I knew what plus 40 was, that would... Hold on, what's the website here? .md. It looks like MD to me anyway. Now we have to figure out where MD would be. That doesn't make sense for any European country. MD. There aren't even any M countries. Morocco wouldn't be MD. Mauritania wouldn't be MD. MD. Interesting. Well, this isn't looking very good. I'll move up again and see if I can see anything else on the road, I suppose. But the countryside is not very helpful here. Did I just go past that sign? Let's see. Blurred out now, isn't it? Oh, so it is Russia. Okay. That helps with the suspicions, I suppose. I'm not sure where that city is. Okay, so we are in Russia. What's going to be the furthest point? Do we go down to our trusty Noir Island down here? Where was it? Let's see. We'll choose Henderson this time. Let's see if we can finish out our 5th round with 0 points on this. Yep, nice. So it's in Ukraine. I'm still not sure what the MD was. I'm gonna have to look that up after this so I can learn, but it is Ukraine. We did end up with 0 points on this and a total of 89. So on a points total, better than last round, but still not that 0 I was looking for. So let's see if we can improve it the next time, and I hope you'll stay tuned. Thanks for watching.